I'm a Q5Tt new generation stepper dual drive smart sewing machine. New design, new experience. Light up the smart island with one click. Thick and thin, really good at sewing. New appearance design. The front adopts a new generation of smart central control screen designed with smart island. Comes with voice broadcast. More convenient to use. More control, both are online. The back adopts an all-inclusive wireless design. Beautiful, clean, safe, and reliable. The new generation can really sew Q5Tt, give you the best visual experience, a new sewing experience. Electronic needle page, more accurate needle page. 0.1 mm level precision needle page. Brings higher sewing quality. Stepper dual driver, lighter sound. Low decibel reverse stitching and low decibel presser photo lift. Bring a more comfortable working environment. Don't pick the fabric. It doesn't matter whether it's thick or thin. 120 sheets of A4 paper for easy sewing. Stockings, mesh, 16-layer thin denim over the shoulder seams. With ease, unique patent thread take-up technology. Increase the thread take-up lever stroke and needle bar stroke. Ensure optimal thread demand under different fabric conditions. Perfect stitches, always. Faster and more efficient. A new generation of control system. The sewing response time is increased by 45%. Core outing response time increased by 45%. The response time of presser foot lift is increased by 55%. I'm a Q5Tt new generation stepper dual drive smart sewing machine.